We're here doing some mold removal. Nicely redone kitchen from a few years ago. There was a leak in the water supply line behind the fridge. It went on for a long time, and because of that, wasn't covered by insurance. The homeowner started off with a handyman doing the repairs and just recently invited us in. And these are some of the materials that we lifted off of the floor right here that are moldy. Some drywall that's really moldy. Continues back under some of these areas. Still have moldy drywall that's sandwiched in back here. Some mold on that surface. Some mold on the framing. So that's typically what you'd probably get with hiring a handyman. They don't know mold, they don't do mold. They're here to do structural and cosmetic repairs.